The components we needed are an Arduino Uno board, a relay module, some jumper cables and an HC05 Bluetooth module. The connections are: we need to connect the RX and TX pin of the Arduino Uno board to the Bluetooth module. The TX pin of the Arduino Uno is connected to the RX pin of the Bluetooth module. And we need to connect the positive and negative for pin to the Arduino Uno for powering up our Bluetooth module. We are connecting the 5V and ground pins for powering up our Bluetooth module from our Arduino. And in the relay module, we are only now using one relay, that is IN4. So before that, we need to power up the relay module. For that, we are connecting VCC and ground. Now we are connecting an IN4 pin to the green color wire. So this pin will control the fourth relay. So I am connecting the positive pin of the relay module to the green pin of the Arduino Uno and the ground pin to the ground of the Arduino Uno. And I am connecting the control pin to the pin number 7 of Arduino Uno. And now we can write the code for the project. So in the void setup, I am declaring pin mode 7 as an output pin. So to declare a pin as an output or input, we mainly use a function called pin mode. So I am writing pin mode as 7 as output. Okay, then we need to begin our serial monitor. So that I need to write serial.begin and the baud rate is 9600. So in the void loop, we need to check if any signal is coming from our Bluetooth module. So I am writing an if condition and I am checking if any serial data is coming. So that I am writing if serial.available is greater than 0, then we are declaring an integer storage variable A, and we are going to read that serial data to A, and then we are now going to check whether if the A's value is equal to 1 or 3. If A is equal to 1, we are using the digital write function to make the pin 7 to low. So the low means the relay will turn on, and if the A is equal to 3, then we need to turn off the relay. For that, we need to make the ping to high. Okay, so digital write 7 high. Okay, so this is the program we need to upload into our Arduino Uno board, and here we will first check if the serial data is available. If it is available, we will store that data into a variable called A. Then we will check that variable if it contains a number like 1 or 3, and correspondingly we will do the actions which we are programmed in this code. So this is the work which will be done by our Arduino Uno board. Now we can test it. Okay, now I am going to connect my serial monitor to the Arduino's Bluetooth, and I have connected to HC05 Bluetooth module, and now I am going to type 1 and send it to Arduino Uno. You can use any mobile application from App Store or Android Play Store to download a serial interface with Arduino Uno. So I have typed 1 and pressed enter, so the bulb has turned on. Now we can type 3 and let turn off the LED. Okay, so our LED bulb has turned off. If you like this project, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.